2022 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 51,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: 4-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, convertible soft top, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, stability control. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.